New York City, a titan of glass and steel. But look closer, see the iron. It is in the bones of the city. Iron is in its DNA. Elegant fire escapes climb towards the sky. Ornate fences guard historic brownstones. Inside grand buildings, ironwork whispers of a bygone era. This is the story of that iron. It is the story of New York's enduring spirit. Ironwork is more than just construction. It is art. It is history. It is the legacy of New York City. And for generations, one company has kept that legacy alive. Arvern Iron Works. They are the guardians of the city's iron soul. They are the keepers of the flame. Arvern Iron Works. The name is synonymous with quality, with craftsmanship, with a dedication to the craft that borders on obsession. But like the city it serves, Arvern has a story, a beginning. It started in a small workshop in Brooklyn. The year was 1905. Two brothers, Italian immigrants, had a dream of building something lasting, something strong, something beautiful. They poured their sweat, their skill, and their heritage into each piece they crafted. That dedication resonated. Word spread. Soon, Arvern Iron Works was a trusted name. They became synonymous with quality ironwork. Step inside a Park Avenue penthouse. Sunlight streams through a window framed in intricate ironwork. Descend a grand staircase, its iron railing cool to the touch. These are the subtle touches of Arvern Iron Works. They are the mark of true craftsmanship. From grand mansions to modest brownstones, Arvern brings elegance to life. Custom gates welcome guests. Balconies offer breathtaking views framed by delicate ironwork. Inside, fireplace screens crackle with warmth and artistry. Each piece is unique. Each piece is a testament to Arvern's commitment to quality. Look up! See that skyscraper piercing the clouds? Arvern Iron Works helped build that. Their work graces the city's most iconic structures. From the grand entrances of museums to the sleek lines of modern office towers, Arvern's touch is everywhere. Grand Central Station, the Empire State Building, even the New World Trade Center. Arvern's legacy is interwoven with the fabric of New York. Their work is not just about aesthetics. It is about strength. It is about safety. It is about creating structures that stand the test of time.
Section 5. The hands of masters where precision meets passion.
Walk into Arvern's workshop and you'll hear the clang of hammers on steel.
You'll see sparks fly, but most importantly, you'll feel the passion.
This is not just a job, it is an art form.
Each piece of iron is carefully measured, heated, hammered, and shaped with practiced hands.
These are not just workers, they are artisans.
Many have been with Arvern for generations. Their skills have been passed down from father to son, from master to apprentice. Section 6. Blending tradition and technology. Arvern's approach to ironwork. While Arvern honors tradition, it also embraces innovation. The company seamlessly blends time-honored techniques with cutting-edge technology. Computer-aided design allows for intricate designs. Laser cutting provides unmatched precision. But technology is just a tool. The heart of Arvern's work remains the human touch, the skilled hands that shape the metal, the discerning eye that ensures every detail is perfect. This blend of old and new is what sets Arvern apart. Section 7. Voices of Satisfaction, Testimonials of Arvern's Excellence. Working with Arvern was a dream, says Sarah, a homeowner who commissioned a custom gate. Their attention to detail was incredible. The gate is not just beautiful, it's a work of art. We chose Arvern for their reputation for quality, says a representative from a major construction firm. They delivered on time and on budget. The ironwork they did on our latest project is simply stunning. Section 8. Preserving history, one iron detail at a time. New York City is constantly evolving, but amidst the new, remnants of the past endure. Arvern Iron Works is dedicated to preserving these historical treasures. They have worked on countless restoration projects, breathing new life into old iron. From the ironwork of the Brooklyn Bridge to the ornate details of Grand Central Station, Arvern has helped preserve the city's architectural heritage. They understand that these structures are more than just buildings. They are monuments to New York's rich history. Section 9. Arvern Iron Works, forging the future of New York's architectural legacy. Arvern Iron Works stands at the intersection of past and present. They are a testament to the enduring power of craftsmanship. Their work continues to shape the city's skyline. As New York City evolves, so too will Arvern Iron Works. But one thing will remain constant, their unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and customer satisfaction. They are more than just ironworkers. They are artists, they are historians, they are the keepers of New York's iron soul.